How to fix WhatsApp enable to connect problem. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this, and then you have to wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, now you have to scroll until you find WhatsApp. Click on it like this and then click on this option for stop, and then go down to the storage, click on it and wait a few seconds. It will start computing. After it finish, now you have to click on clear cache, go back, click on the data usage, make sure to enable every option right here like this. And now one last thing you want to do is restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe.